Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can change PayPal on TEMU, and this is actually very simple. At first head over to temu.com and your account should look something like this. Now at the top right you see something called hello your name and then orders an account. So we're going to tap on that one and then something like this will load up. Now at the left side you're going to scroll down until you see something called your payment methods. So we're going to click on this one. Right now I don't have any payment methods, but all of your payment methods will be showing here. Now to change your PayPal, all you need to do is next to your PayPal it will say something called edit your PayPal account. So you're going to click on that one and then you're going to click on remove so that you can completely remove your PayPal account. After that, what you're going to do is click on add a new payment method, and from there you're going to put in the new PayPal that you want it to be changed into and that you want to add, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.